Hello friends, welcome to Sub Coaching channel. Today we are going to see another method to solve linear equation, that is your elimination by equating the coefficient. Elimination means हटाना है आपको. किसको हटाना है? कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल करते हुए. So first of all we should be knowing what do you mean by this coefficient over here. So let us take an example. 3x plus 2y equal to 11. This is your first linear equation. Second linear equation let us take as 2x plus 3y equal to 4. These are the two linear equations that are given to us. We need to solve by elimination method. So elimination मैंने क्या बोला है कि कोफिशिएंट को अपन इक्वल करेंगे. कोफिशिएंट होता क्या है आपका? जो भी वेरिएबल्स है जैसे कि x, उसके आगे में जो भी नंबर लिखा हुआ हो that are called as the coefficient. Coefficient of x is in the first equation it is 3 and in the second case it is 2. Similarly coefficient of y in equation number 1 it is 2 and in equation number 2 it is 3. So what we need to do in this method, कोफिशिएंट को अपने को इक्वल करना है. या तो x के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल करो या तो y के कोफिशिएंट को इक्वल करो और इक्वल करते हुए वी हैव टू एलिमिनेट दैट पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल. सो आप इसको इक्वल कैसे किया जा सकता है? सिंपली वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय अ नंबर सच दैट कि उनके कोफिशिएंट का जो नंबर है वो इक्वल हो जाए. सो यहाँ पे आप 3 देख सकते हो. सपोज वी आर गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट x. So first of all we should be having the coefficient equal over here. So 3 है, यहाँ पे 2 है. So आप क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें कि नंबर्स दोनों साइड आपके इक्वल हो जाए. So you should multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 3. So जब 2 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो ये 6x आ जाएगा और 3 जब 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेगा इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू 6. सो ये दोनों कोफिशिएंट आपके इक्वल हो गए तो वी कैन एलिमिनेट. लेकिन ये 2 आपका ये थ्रू आउट द इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द न्यू इक्वेशन इज दैट 6x प्लस 4y इक्वल टू 22 एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज 6x प्लस 9y equal to 12. So these are the two equation after you have multiplied that with their respective numbers. Now you can see over here, यहाँ पे भी 6x है, यहाँ पे भी 6x है, लेकिन दोनों के पास साइन यहाँ पे क्या है? इट इज प्लस. सो ये इसको डायरेक्टली एडिशन करेंगे तो ये तो एलिमिनेट नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज सब्सट्रैक्टिंग. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सब्सट्रैक्ट. और जब भी आप सब्सट्रैक्ट करोगे तो वो आपका सब के साथ सब्सट्रैक्शन होगा. मीन्स यहाँ पे यदि पॉजिटिव साइन है तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या आ जाएगा? माइनस साइन. नाउ हियर ऑल्सो यू आर हैविंग पॉजिटिव, सो हियर ऑल्सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी माइनस. यहाँ पे भी कोई साइन नहीं है मतलब पॉजिटिव है, सो हियर ऑल्सो इट विल बी माइनस. नाउ दिस सेकंड इक्वेशन साइन हैज नॉट चेंज टू माइनस माइनस एंड माइनस. इज दैट क्लियर? सो नाउ 6x minus 6x it is going to get cancel. 4y minus 9y. 4y minus 9y it is going to give you minus 5y. Why minus? Because the 9y is having a sign of minus and 9 is your bigger number. So you will be having minus sign over here. Equal to 22 minus 12. 22 minus 12 it is your 10. So from here what is the value of y you are going to get? 10 by minus 5 that is equal to minus 2. So the y value you have got is minus 2. Is that clear? Now you need to solve for x. So putting the value of y equal to minus 2 in equation 1. Suppose we are substituting in equation number 1 over here. So what is equation number 1? 3x plus 2y equal to 11. So 3x plus 2 2, y value we have got is minus 2. So 2 multiplied by minus 2 equal to 11. So 3x minus 4 equal to 11. From here 3x is equal to 15 and x will be 15 by 3, that is equal to 5. So what is the value of x you have got is 5 and y it is minus 2. So this is how you are going to solve this equation. Is that clear? So we will take another example. X by 10 plus y by 5 is equal to 14. This is the first equation. Second, x by 8 plus y by 6 is equal to 15. So in this linear equation, first of all we have to take LCM and we have to convert this linear equation. So on taking the LCM of 10 and 5, you will be getting 50. So this will be your 5x plus 10y is equal to 14. This 50 will get multiplied with 14 and you are going to get is 700. So 5x plus 10y is equal to 700. So you can see in this equation that 5x, 10y and 700 all are divisible by 5. So we are going to divide this equation by 5 and you will be getting x plus 2y is equal to 140. This is first equation. Similarly, we will do for this second equation also. 8 and 6, LCM of 8 and 6, it is 48. So what you will be getting over here, 6x plus 8y is equal to 15. So 48 multiplied by 15, it is going to give you 720. So 6x plus 8y is equal to 720. So once again you can see this linear equation is divisible by 2. So we will be dividing by 2. So you will be getting 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. This is your equation number 2. So now you can see if you want to eliminate any variables, here x and here 3x is given to you. So watch which number you will be substituting so that it will be getting eliminated. So we will be multiplying this equation by 3 and this equation by 1. On doing so, you will be getting here 3x and here on multiplying it with 1, it is also 3x only. Is that clear? So on multiplying you will be getting 3x plus 6y is equal to 140 multiplied by 3, that is equal to your 420. When 1 is multiplied with second equation, you will be getting 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. So now once again you can see 3x is having positive sign, here also positive sign. So if you are going to eliminate this, you need to change their sign. So if you are changing the sign of this equation, you need to change for all. So here it is positive, so it will be negative. Here also positive, here negative. Here also 360 is in positive, so you need to be subtracting. So 3x minus 3x, it will get eliminated. 6y minus 4y. 6y minus 4y, it is equal to 2y is equal to 420 minus 360. You will be getting 60. So from here y value you are going to get is 30. So now you have calculated the value of y, that is equal to 30. So now you need to put this value. Putting y equal to equal to 30 in equation first. So what you are getting? X plus 2 into 30 equal to 140. So the value of x will be 140 minus 60, that is equal to 80. So the x value you have got is 80. Is that clear? So through this you can solve any number of linear equation that will be given to you by using elimination method. Is that clear? So let us take another example. 1 by 2x minus 1 by y is equal to minus 1. This is your first linear equation. Second, 1 by x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 8. This is your second linear equation. So you can see in these two linear equations that variables are in denominator. In the previous example that we have solved, you are having in your denominator some numbers, only numbers were there. Variables was in the numerator. But in this case, you are having variables in your denominator. So what you need to do in this case, we need to remove this variable from the denominator, and to do so we will take one more variable. So taking 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Is that clear? Why we are doing so? Because यदि अपन ऐसा करते हैं तो ये आपका जो इक्वेशन बनेगा वो सिंपल हो जाएगा और इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू सॉल्व दैट पर्टिकुलर लीनियर इक्वेशन. इज दैट क्लियर? सो जब भी आपको बस इतना ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी डिनोमिनेटर में वेरिएबल्स होंगे सो आपको ये वाला मेथड्स को फॉलो करना है. बाय टेकिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल एज अनदर वेरिएबल, इट कैन बी एनी वेरिएबल अदर देन एक्स एंड वाई. एक्स एंड वाई को छोड़ के आप कोई भी उसको एज्यूम कर लिया जाए. सो 1 by 2x, 1 by x को अपन ने क्या एज्यूम कर लिया है, दैट इज योर a. सो व्हाट हियर you can write is a by 2. Is that clear? So what will be the linear equation here? a by 2 and over here 1 by y is b. So minus b equal to minus 1. This is the first linear equation that you are going. Second, 1 by x. 1 by x you are going to write it as a. 1 by x को अपन क्या लिखेंगे? a. 1 by 2y. 1 by y तो आपका क्या था? b. So it will be b by 2. So plus b by 2 equal to 8. Is that clear? ये सिंपल हो गया. अब आप देख सकते हो कि ये वैल्यूज जो आपके वेरिएबल्स है वो आपके न्यूमरेटर्स में आ गए हैं. सो आप अब इसको सिंपल वे से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. सो सिंपली यू आर गोइंग टू टेक नाउ एलसीएम. इन दिस केस एलसीएम विल बी 2. हियर a minus 2b equal to minus 1. So what you are going to get? a minus 2b equal to minus 2. Is that clear? So this is your first equation. And in the second equation, once again the LCM you are going to get is 2. So here it will be 2a plus b equal to 8, and your linear equation will be 2a plus b equal to 16. So this is your linear equation number 2. Is that clear? So in this way you can solve your linear equation very easily over here. Is that clear? अब आपको क्या करना है? इसको एलिमिनेशन करना है. So multiply. What you need to multiply? Multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 1. Multiplying equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 1. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को अपन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और सेकंड इक्वेशन को वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 1. सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन यू विल बी गेटिंग? सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी 2a minus 4b equal to minus 4. Second equation will be as it is because we are multiplying it by 1 only. So it is going to give you 2a plus b equal to 16. So once again you can see over here positive, here also positive is there. So we need to change the sign. So minus, here also minus because here you are having positive, so it will get negative. 16 it is positive, here also it will be going to be negative. So 2a minus 2a, it is going to get cancelled. Minus 4b minus b, minus minus it is going to get add. So minus 4b minus b, it is equal to minus 5b equal to -4 and -16. -4 and -16, it is going to give you -20. So from here b value you will be getting -20 by -5, that is equal to 4, because this minus are going to get cancelled over here. Is that clear? So now you need to substitute this value of b in equation number 1, putting b equal to 4 in equation number 1. So what you will be getting? A minus 2b equal to -2. So b value is 4. So what you will get? A minus 2 into 4 is equal to -2. So a will be equal to -2 plus 8, that is equal to 6. So a you are getting is 6 and b equal to 4. But in the question we have been asked to solve for x and y, not a and b, that we are taking, assuming that. So what you need to do here is that you have to once again put the value of a and b over here. So 1 by x क्या था आपका? a था. So 1 by x is equal to a, and a value you have got is 6. So 1 by x is equal to 6. From here you can write that x is equal to 1 by 6. Is that clear? आपको यहां से x की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 1 by 6. Similarly 1 by y equal to b, and b value you got is 4. So what you are going to get? 1 by y equal to 4. That implies that your y will be equal to 1 by 4. Is that clear? So the value of x is 1 by 6 and value of y is 1 by 4. Most of the time what students are doing, वो बस a और b की वैल्यू निकाल के ही वहीं पे आंसर को छोड़ देते हैं. But in that case you are going to lose your 1 mark, because you are not solving for x and y. आपको ये x और y को सॉल्व करते हुए भी बताना है. Is that clear? I hope this lecture will help you to solve the question from your book regarding elimination method. Is that clear? Thank you.